These are our all-steel non-lock rivets. We are going to show you the 5 types of routine tests, 5 pieces for each test. Basically, these tests are to ensure the qualification of our products for general industry. Before we get started, I'd like you to know what we've prepared for the following 5 tests. Caliper, washers, our riveting tool C864 air compressor 0.6 megapascal, text fixture, and Tensile machine. The first test is size measurement. Now we have prepared 5 pieces all steel non-lock rivets. The size is diameter 4.8 millimeters and the length is 10 millimeters. Rebody diameter is 4.76, 4.78, 4.79, 4.78, 4.78. Length is 10.03, 10.14, 10.22, 10.2, 10. Length including the copper is 17.63, 17.6, 17.58, 17.53, 17.56. Height diameter is 9.9, 9.87, 9.85, 9.87, 9.96. Thickness is 1.99, 1.98, 1.98, 1.99, 1.99. Now it comes to the Mandrel. Mandrel proportion is 29.82, 29.74, 29.81, 29.84, 29.8. Mandrel diameter is 2.94, 2.94, 2.95, 2.94, 2.94. Second is a riveting test. Now you can see our washers ready. One hole size is 4.9 millimeters, the other is 5.1 millimeters. Next, we'll go on with 4 groups of detailed tests. Number 1, we choose a hole size 4.9 millimeters washer to test its minimal grip 1.6 millimeters. Number 2, there are 4.9 millimeters hole size washers with 7 millimeters thickness, which are used to test its maximal grip. Number 3, hole size 5.1 millimeters washer with 1.6 millimeters thickness. Number 4, hole size 5.1 millimeters washers with 6.9 millimeters thickness. Now let us pick up 5 pieces of set rivets and see where the mandrels were broken. The depth from rivet head is 0.08 millimeters, 0.44 millimeters, 0 millimeters, 0.43 millimeters. Through the above tests, you can see the riveting performance is very good, and the mandrel break in proper position when both hole diameter and riveting thickness are at their limit values. The third is a mandrel retention test. The minimal retention force of our SSN-AVD 48100 is 700 newtons. We will put 5 pieces of rivets in the test fixture of tensile machine. Now it's axially applying a load from the head side of the set rivet until the head retention load is reached. From the screen, you can see the first test result is 1,241 newtons. Next, the second mandrel is in place. Let's go. It stops. Result is 1,353 newtons. Third is 1,327 newtons. Fourth is 1,310 newtons. Fifth is 1,427 newtons. All these test results are over 1,200 newtons, which means our mandrel retention forces are qualified. The fourth is mandrel breaking force test. The standard mandrel breaking force of our SSN-AVD 48100 is maximum 8,500 newtons. We separated the 5 pieces of rivets into rivet bodies and mandrels, then put mandrels into the tensile machine one by one for this test. Now they stop. The first result is 7,734 newtons. Second is 7,709 newtons. Third, it is 7,742 newtons. Fourth, 7,716 newtons. Fifth, 7,785 newtons. You can see these values, they pass the test. The fifth test is tensile and shear test. Firstly, we use our CA64 riveting tool to set now-lock rivets on the text fixture, the hole size of which is 5 mm and thickness is 3 mm. Now the first set rivet is in tensile machine. Press the button. The machine is applying two opposite forces till the rivet is broken. Now we are doing the test of the first rivet. The result is 5,489 newtons. Our standard tensile strength of SSN-AVD 48100 is minimum 4,400 newtons, and the reference value is 5,340 newtons. The result is 5,475 newtons. Third Rivets test. The result is 5,564 newtons. Fourth Rivets test. The result is 5,604 newtons. Fifth result is 5,543 newtons. All data over the reference value of tensile strength, so these rivets pass the test. Then we tested the shear force. Now we are doing the test of the first rivet. All are settled. Let us get it started. It is exerting horizontally two opposite forces to the rivet until it is broken. The first result is 6,698 newtons. Our standard shear force is a minimum 5,800 newtons, and the reference value is 6,452 newtons. Second result is 6,805 newtons. Third is 6,878 newtons. Fourth is 7,025 newtons. Fifth is 6,972 newtons. All test data has reached our reference value shear strength. Rivmate now-lock rivets are qualified. We have finished all tests for our all-steel now-lock rivets, size 4.8 by 10 millimeters. So no, from now on, you can detect or make a qualified structural rivets. Thank you for watching this video, and you're welcome to reach out to us at any time whenever you need our help.